Game over.
3-step 5 minutes. Leftover. Recycled lunch. Join me. Y'all, I cooked myself some hamburgers last night. Went to get fresh peaches the other day in my last video. And you know, this is leftovers. Takes 5 minutes, but it's a weird combination. It's this. Fresh from the garden, scallops, tomatoes, fresh peaches. Yeah, I said fresh peaches. Ooh, fresh peaches made into some delicious nacho and beef tacos with feta cheese and parmesan. And I'll show you when I'm done. It literally takes 5 minutes to make, folks. Check it out. It's time to elevate. Yeah, lunchtime. Yeah, peaches, tacos, 5 minutes. Literally stuff them with a man, push, reheat, bam, and it's reheating. When it beeps, it's done. Reheating. It's in there. It'll just take a minute. And this beautiful homemade tacos only took 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And the peaches don't sound like they go good, but guess what? Check it out, folks. Peaches on tacos. Nacho tacos. Oh, I forgot something. Get off. Sativa, you don't get none. No, she thinks she's gonna get some tacos. No. This is what I forgot. Little decoration. Whoo, might have to dip it. I like mine nice and hot, even with peaches in it. That's right, even with peaches. It'll be tea time. Yeah, after I finish the 5 minute peaches and beef tacos. Yeah, took 5 minutes. And I'm getting ready to eat. I just love some cream soda. Cheers. Need something to wash some of this heat down. And it only took 5 minutes. Peaches. Fresh from Norwich. I'll be trying all kinds of stuff, folks. Yeah, this is delicious. A little drippy. It's dripping. But it is good. I like weird food. It's that euphoric energy. Don't laugh. These are freaking good, guys. They're delicious. I'm a foodie. I'm a foodie. I'm a foodie. Oh, look at it drip. And of course, session. When I'm done eating. Good food. So come on over to Euphoric Granny, aka Euphoric Energy today with Little Jane. I'm Miss Lori. And I want you to come to my channel. And we'll have a lot of food, good cuisine, and travel. I like to travel to the Pacific Northwest. Ooh, this food's hot. I love you guys. So subscribe, support my channel, and we're gonna have many more adventures. Like that, 5-minute leftovers. But it's good for you. And it's homemade. And it's organic. You know, I don't do nothing except for organic stuff. And I love you guys. And I'm here to empower you. Yeah. Because empowering you empowers me. So give me a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and get notified. And join Team Euphoric. And by the way, I have a playlist. Yeah, I'm about to sneeze. Oh, Lord. I don't want to sneeze on camera. But anyways, like, subscribe, get notified. Come on over and binge watch my playlist. Team Euphoric, Team We, you and me, us. Bye-bye. I just can't stop eating. I'm a foodie. And I travel all over just to taste the food. And you know what else? All them good organics. It's dripping. And I'm a little greasy. My hands are, my fingers are. I'm a little country too, but I'm from the city. I go all over. But yeah, I'm a foodie. Don't let it fool you. I get the munchies all the time. A tomato. Tomato, cream soda. Yeah, it's hot. It's a hot day. I love you guys. Comment. Bye-bye. Hope you got it. Foodie. Oh, look at my hand. Blooper. Yeah, I love bloopers. See us make a mess. Like I said, I'm a foodie. Foodies. That's euphoric. Boy, I made a mess. But I'm definitely loving eating, because I always got the munchies, if you know what I mean. I love cream soda. I love y'all. 5-minute munchies. Mm-hmm. Yep, peaches and nachos. Beef tacos with a twist. Euphoric. Delicious. And this is the secret. Bam. I love it. Y'all come back and see me now. Ain't she beautiful? Bye-bye.